We are dealing with solutions of test 23, and this test includes chapters biotechnology, principle and processes, and its application. Question number 1. In transgenics, expression of gene in target tissue is determined by expression of gene. A. Enhancer. Enhancer is the segment of the DNA that enhances transcription. B. Promoter. Promoter is the segment of DNA that promotes transcription. Initiates transcription. C. Transgene. It is the gene of interest that is being transcribed. And D. Reporter gene. Reporter gene is used to determine whether DNA construct has been successfully transferred. So the correct answer is D. Reporter gene. Question number 2. An antiviral chemical produced by the animal cells is interferon, and interferon is secreted by virus infected cells to protect rest of the non-infected cells. So the correct answer is B. Interferon. Question number 3. Most of the industrialized nations are rich financially but part in biodiversity and traditional knowledge. So the correct answer is C. Question number 4. Which protein production was successfully introduced in E. coli? A. Interferon, B. Xanthotoxin, C. somatostatin, and D. relaxin. Correct answer is A. Interferon. These are the antiviral chemicals produced by recombinant DNA technology by Charles Weizmann in 1980. Question number 5. The first human hormone produced by recombinant DNA technology is A. Insulin, B. Estrogen, C. Thyroxine, D. Progesterone. Correct answer is A. Insulin, or that was also known as humulin. It was synthesized by American company Eli Lilly in 1983. So correct answer is A. Insulin. Question number 6. Which one of the following pairs of the term or names mean one thing and the same thing? A. Gene pool and genome. Gene pool is related to population, but genome is related to individual. So it is wrong. Codon and gene. B. Codon and gene. Codon is the part of mRNA and gene is a part of DNA. So it is also wrong. C. Cistron and triplet. Cistron is related to gene or DNA and triplet is related to codon or mRNA. So it is also wrong. D. DNA fingerprinting and DNA profiling. Both are the exact same words in relation to segments of the DNA. So the correct answer is D. Question number 7. The technique used to make numerous copies of specific segment of the DNA. Numerous copies of DNA segment. It is done by the technique PCR, that is polymerase chain reaction. So correct answer is C. Question number 8. The name of the drug used in cancer treatment produced by biotechnology. Drug used in cancer treatment is interferons. So the correct answer is A. Question number 9. Antibiotics are produced by antibiotics. A. Mucor, that is wrong. B. Penicillium, yes, through penicillium we obtain penicillin. C. Agaricus, it is also wrong. T is also wrong as it is all the above. So the correct answer is B, penicillium. Question number 10. Terramycin is obtained from. Terramycin is obtained from Streptomyces ramosus. So the correct answer is C. Question number 11. Vitamin B12 is obtained directly during the course of fermentation by. Vitamin B12 is obtained by Propionibacteria and certain strains of Pseudomonas. So the correct answer is D. Question number 12. Waxman got Nobel Prize for the discovery of. Waxman discovered streptomycin and actinomycin. So the correct answer is C. Question number 13. Antibiotics are mostly obtained from. Antibiotics are obtained from lichens, fungus, eubacteria, and actinomycetes. So the correct answer is A, fungi, B, actinomycetes, C, cyanobacteria, that is wrong, and D, both A and B. So the correct answer is D. Question number 14. How many amino acids are present in human insulin? Human insulin is made up of two polypeptide chain, A and B. A has 21 amino acid and B has 30 amino acid. So insulin has 51 amino acid. So the correct answer is D. Question number 15. The organism used for alcohol fermentation. Alcohol fermentation. A, penicillium, that is wrong. B, Pseudomonas, that is also wrong. C, Aspergillus, that is also wrong. And D, Saccharomyces, that is correct. That is yeast is used for fermentation. So the correct answer is D.